Hello traders, FpC Collector here. Today is Monday, September 11th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly, I still think this is a 1, 2, and a big wave 3, and this move down is a 4, and I still believe that we're in a wave 5, which I still think is going to go all the way up to about the 61.8 Fibonacci extension, right around the 157, maybe 157.5 area. So let's keep all that in mind. Let's head down to the weekly. On the weekly, I still think it's very clear this is a big wave 3. This is probably like a motive wave correction for the 4. This does look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here, but I actually think that we probably are due for a move down, but that move down is probably going to be a correction to this move up, and I think it's going to end up continuing to make higher lows, and continue to make its way up to that 157 area. So let's take it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we definitely got a pretty strong move. On this time frame, we really don't even have a break of structure, but I do think there's a very good chance that it will go down, take out this low, and probably make a correction to this move up next. Probably going to go someplace between 38% and 78% of this move up right here before it ends in ABC correction, and most likely ends up continuing the uptrend. So let's keep going down to that 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour, you can definitely see we got a break of structure on this time frame. That pretty much proves that only this trend right here is over. It doesn't prove that the higher time frame trend is over, but most likely I do think that it is probably going to go down and at least take out this low, and I think it probably will end up being another ABC correction. And once we get 3 waves down and positive up, especially if we can see a break of structure at a Fibonacci level, that should be what tells us that the correction is over, and that should be the continuation of the uptrend. Now until that happens, we can for sure continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, I do suspect that this move up right here is going to be a correction, probably to the last wave down. So if I do see 1, 2, 3 waves up, A, B, C up, I would definitely take that as a short. 1, 2, 3 waves up and pulse it down, especially if it's at a Fibonacci retracement of this last move down. If I see 3 waves up and pulse it down with a Fibonacci bounce, that's exactly what I want to see for my next entry to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.